It's a proud moment to watch your child walk across the stage at graduation. With Skyward's career plans, you and your child can start laying the groundwork for that moment years in advance. You can map out the courses necessary to fulfill graduation requirements and can start thinking ahead to your child's post-graduation ambitions. To view your child's career plan, log into Family Access. Select a child from the drop-down menu at the top, then click on the Career Plans tab. This is where you can view the courses laid out for your child. On the right side of the screen, you will see a list of course requirements for graduation. Once a requirement has been met, a black check mark will appear and the text will no longer be read. If you would like to add a course to the career plan, click Add Curriculum near the top of the page. You can use the filters and select a grade level, then click Show Curriculum. Highlight the class you want to add and click Save. It will now appear in the career plan. Courses that are editable are marked with a pencil icon. Click the icon to edit the grade level or to remove it from your child's curriculum. It's as easy as that. Check out the other 60-second power-ups and become even more Skyward savvy.